You're welcome to Math Easy Peasy. In today's class, we shall be looking at finding area of a window pane. As you can see on the board, we have a window pane and we have been given the base of the window pane, the height of the rectangular part of the window pane, and the slant height. So we are asked to look for the area of the whole shape. Now, when looking for area of irregular shapes like this, the first thing you must do is to break the shape into two parts. Now, this shape can be broken into two parts, making one part a triangle and the other part a rectangle. For the rectangle, area of a rectangle is simple. It is simply length times breadth, which is the same thing as 20 times 8. Both of them are in meters. And the area of the rectangle is simply 160 meters squared. Also going to look for the area of a triangle. And from what we have on the board, the triangle has a slant height, and the slant height cannot be used to look for the area. So the first thing we must do is to determine the what? Perpendicular height. Now, for us to determine the perpendicular height, we must know the first part. We must know the base of the right angle triangle. And the base of this right angle triangle, the size of the base of this right angle triangle will simply be the half of the base of the rectangle, which is simply what? 4. So with this, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem, which says the opposite squared is equal to hypotenuse squared minus adjacent squared. So with this, we can impute this into the formula, which would be what? 5 squared minus 4 squared, which is simply 25 minus 16. And it simply gives us 25 minus 16 will give us what? 9. That means the height squared is equal to 9. Therefore, the height is equal to the square root of 9, which is equal to what? 3 meters. With this, we can simply calculate the area of the triangle. Area of a triangle is equal to base times height all over 2, which is simply, the base here is 4. So we have 4 times 3 all over 2, which is equal to 12 all over 2, which gives us 6 meters. Now, our final answer today will simply be the total area will be equal to 100 and our total area will be equal to 160 meters squared plus 6 meters what? Squared, which is equal to 166 meters squared. That is the area